So we have here a Permobil F3, beautiful green in color. This Permobil only has 4 miles. This Permobil only has one function. It has the electric tilt. So again, this is a Permobil F3 Power Chair. As you can see right here, F3 with electric tilt. So the tilt on this chair can be worked through the joysticks or through the switch box. I like to use the joystick, it's quicker for me. So you can see the tilt, when you have the tilt, the back, this bottom piece is going to go back. So when this goes back, it's going to take the legs and it's going to take the back because they're all connected together. This is called the electric tilt. This is a full electric tilt. The legs on this chair are manual. There is a lever on the bottom of this, on the bottom of the pole under here. I'm pulling the lever now. You can let the legs down, up. So there's 4 different functions, but they're manual. You see, these are not electric legs, but they can be elevated. Someone has to stand on the side here and lift them up. Okay, so those are manual legs. Let's look at the base on the chair. You can see the suspension for the front, suspension in the back. Permobil chairs have an unbelievable suspension. This is a front wheel drive, so all the weight of the user, the weight of the chair goes to the bottom of the wheel, so you have good traction when you're outside. The front thing is only a tip wheels. The back wheels are caster 8-inch back wheels. You have a motor for each wheel. There's a motor that goes from here to the wheel directly into the middle of the wheel. If I want to push this chair right now, you can see it's in gear. You can't move. And let's talk about the motors here. If I wanted to put the chair in neutral, I would turn the power off because you want the power off so you have no resistance in the motor. And right here at the end of this plastic cap, there's a lever. If you push it down, what that does, it unlocks the wheel. You can see the wheel is unlocked. You have to do both motors on both sides, then you can roll the chair around. Do not forget, when you're done, put the lever back up because nothing will work if you're in neutral. Then turn your power back on. You also have an anchor point where you can secure your chair to your lift right here inside the front fender. And you have another anchor point right behind the spring right here. You have 2 on this side, 2 on the opposite side. That's where you would secure your chair to your lift for transportation. So let's bring the seat back down. So I'm going to leave the legs out a little bit more. I like the legs out. It just gives you a little more freedom. So we're going to bring the seat all the way back down. Also, the back is also manual. Okay, now on the back one, you can actually see the bar. Well, maybe not. The knob is right here. So if I pull that knob, I can bring the back as far back as there. Okay, and if I pull it, this is the next position. This is the next one. So you have 4 positions. This would be too straight for me to drive. I would probably bring it, that's more of a position there. So you can adjust the back with this rod right here. There's a knob right here you can pull where my hand is on this shaft right here. So it's a manual back, manual leg, but you do have electric tilt. Electric tilt. As I said, this chair has 4 miles, so if you just need electric tilt. Also, this chair has a swing away joystick, so if you want to get close to a table, you can take the joystick from here all the way to here. Now, everything's on the left side. Most of you are going to be on the right-handed, so we can switch everything back to the right side. The arms do flip up for easy. If you transfer into this chair from the side, these lateral guards can be moved away. These are nice because they keep your knees on the foot plate instead of falling off, okay? And these can be adjusted up and down, back and forth, in and out. There's all kinds of adjustments on these. The cushion on here is 20. This is a Roho cushion, the most expensive cushion you can get. So this is an air cushion of 20 by 18 deep, okay? Now we can adjust these seats. If this seat's too big or too small, let us know. We can modify the size of these seats for you. But the cushion is 20 by 18. It's an air cushion. You can put air right here. You'll get a plastic pump. And you can use it right here on this valve by opening the valve. Matter of fact, you can hear the air coming out. Turn it and squeeze the valve shut. Okay. So the back of the chair, you've got a fully adjustable headrest back here. So you can see the headrest is fully adjustable, any position you want, just by loosening these screws. Also back behind this chair, right here, you have a power button inside of here. So right now there's power in the chair, but if I put my hands in here and go up, I can flip the switch off. Now there's no more power, okay? When we ship these chairs, we always turn the power off over here. So when you turn the power back on, you put your hands in here, put your fingers up, flip it to the side, and now we'll have power. I have to turn the power back on the joystick. So these levers, if I turn this lever, what it does, it adjusts the tilt of this arm. Same thing with this lever. It's only for the tilt. That's all these levers do right here, okay? So let me turn the power back on. So this is a front wheel drive chair. So if you're in your house, this is the way it's going to turn in your house. When you charge your Permobil, you'll take your Permobil charger, you'll plug it right below your joystick, and as soon as the light goes to full on here, the charger will stop charging. There's 2 batteries in here. They're give you about 15 miles on a battery charge. That all depends what kind of condition, what kind of surface you're on, if you're going uphill, in the grass, the weight of the user, how much you use the seat tilt. But you might get more than 15 miles, you might get less, okay? So let's recap. This is the Permobil F3 with one function. It has the electric tilt. It has 4 miles. It does have the manual legs, the manual back. It does have the swing away joystick, the flip up arm, the safety belt, the Roho cushion, the lateral pads, of course the Permobil suspension, the adjustable headrest. So this is a really nice power chair. If you only need electric tilt, that's one of the most important positions in all power chairs, the electric tilt. Take pressure off your back or you want to sleep, this would be a really nice one. So this is our F3 power chair. Top speed is 6 miles an hour. Great suspension. I can feel the suspension. It's just a great power chair. And when you stop, it brakes automatically. You can also control the speed by not pushing the joystick all the way forward, just a little bit like that, or you can go forward and then it takes off, just like you would have on a car with a gas pedal. So this is the F3 with the electric tilt. So I had no problem in my grass, but my grass is pretty nice. So if you're looking for a nice power chair with 4 miles, practically brand new with the electric tilt, with the nice Roho cushion, swing away joystick, this would be a really nice one.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex.
We are a family-owned business for over 25 years.
We have many products available, not just what you see in this video. If you would like to learn more, you can call the number below at 800-677-6293, or you can visit us directly at www.marcsmobility.com.